I'm going to show you how to make a knot, simple knot for magnet fishing. I've got my magnet here. It's a little 400 pounder. If I get something 400 pounds, I ain't pulling it up. But anyway, this rope is rated for like 120. I can't even pick up 120 pounds. No, I could, but I'd be crippled for a month. But anyway, yeah, let me tip this down so you can see. All I do is take the rope, pull it through, loop it over, okay, grab it down here, start twisting. One, two, three, four, five, okay, put it through, tighten it up. Basically half a hangman's noose, okay. You want to make sure that that's on top of the ring so it don't go underneath. But you ain't gonna get that thing loose. And the more you pull it, tighter it gets. Tightens right up on this other end and just will not come loose. And that's just about all there is to it. So, only thing left to do now is go find me a river, which are plenty of here in New Hampshire. Little rocky rivers that love to grab your magnet. Probably lost two of them already. These rivers here in New Hampshire, they can be brutal on your magnets. So anyway, I'll try to think of something else to show you. For right now, that's it. See you later.